Scores of residents living in Ferry, St. Catherine are demanding compensation after major flooding in the area. The residents point to a broken pipe along the Mandela Highway as the cause of their stress. They're also leveling blame at the developers of the new highway. We have the details in this report. They likened it to Dunn's River Falls in Ocho Rios. Residents of Ferry in St. Catherine capturing the impact of a broken water main which caused extensive flooding on the Mandela Highway. Saturday morning, the people woke up to flooded homes.
I have to bail out the water them in my bathroom, can't use a beer mop blender right now. I don't reach around there, so yet. Run my background room them same way, full of water and beer mop same way, you see me? In my kitchen here, so my bed I feel up on 6 block.
My granddaughter wake up and say, Mommy, beer water in the house. When me look, me see the water rising up. Me have to get up, take up the box of the paper them, well soaked. Take out the bottom jar, them out of the chest jar and the dresser jar them, beer water rise straight up. My bag with some sheets and everything. While I up on the bed, the water flood up to the mattress.
The residents say the drains in the area have been blocked due to the redevelopment of the highway.
Somebody call out in the lane, Ferry flooding out. So when I come out, my shop front full of water, the yard full of water. So we couldn't open up this morning to do our business. So we need the Chinese them to come together and fix back the draining and turn back the water we're in the position we used to be, go back down to in the river because the water is affecting us. We have enough children here.
Those who've lost their belongings are demanding compensation.
Pressure go on the pipe and it does burst. Because you know pressure burst pipe. You understand? So we don't have any water now and we need to know what the people them who feel it the most. Because me just have the water problem, you know. So what about the people who lost their melanoma on their floor, their carpet and those etc.?
In a release, the National Water Commission, NWC, confirmed that a major pipeline broke along the Mandela Highway. The NWC says it suspects that this break resulted from the ongoing roadwork being undertaken in the Ferry area. The company is advising that based on the location of the leak, it will take extensive excavation to get the broken section of pipeline, and this may result in significant delays to restoration of water supply. The NWC apologized to customers without water, but no mention was made about the impact to the residents living in Ferry.